students, welcome to this video lecture where we will be discussing the question number 126 of NEET 2017 question paper. The question is, capacitation occurs in rete testis, epididymis, vas deferens, female reproductive tract. These are the four options given. So first you have to understand what do you mean by capacitation. Capacitation refers to the final maturation of the sperm. I hope you studied the process of formation of sperm, right? The mature sperm. Spermiogenesis, spermatogenesis, then spermiation, right? All these are process of making a sperm, right? Making a sperm from a diploid cell. Sperm is haploid, that is, it will be having only one set of chromosomes, right? One set of chromosomes, that is haploid. Now what happens after the sperm is made? The sperm looks like this, right? This is the acrosome, this is the head. Here you have the neck and you have the long tail, right? Now this sperm, here you have the nucleus, here you have the mitochondria that provides the energy for this sperm to swim through the female reproductive tract, right? So this is the sperm. This sperm will be covered with glycoproteins. Okay, this sperm will be covered with glycoproteins like this. Okay, in capacitation what happens? Capacitation is a huge process in which many enzymes are involved. You do not worry about the whole capacitation process. Okay, you are just asked to mark where the capacitation occurs, right? Where. So if you remember why this occurs, why capacitation occurs and what is it in brief, then you can easily remember where it occurs. Okay, where it occurs. Now why it occurs? Capacitation, without capacitation, the fusion of sperm with the egg is not possible, right? For suppose this is the egg, what happens around this? There is a layer which is penetrated by the acrosome. This is the acrosome, right? Acrosome of the sperm. What is this layer? This layer is known as zona pellucida, right? This layer is penetrated by the acrosome, right? For this penetration to happen, capacitation is important. What do you mean by capacitation? It is the final maturation of the sperm. Sorry. Final maturation of the sperm. What do? We make some modifications to these glycoproteins that are present on the surface of the sperm, right? So as to facilitate the reaction between this acrosome head and this layer, that is zona pellucida, right? So for the final fusion of this head with the zona pellucida and for this genetic material entering into the egg, right? Only the genetic material enters into the egg, isn't it? This mitochondria does not enter into the head. This tail part and the neck part does not enter into the egg, right? That is the reason why we say that egg contains only mother's mitochondria, right? Because the father's mitochondria means the mitochondria of the sperm that is present in the neck part, but this neck part and the tail part does not enter into the egg, right? Only the nucleus, only the genetic material is entering into the egg, right? So for this reaction to occur, for the acrosome reaction to occur, the capacitation is important, right? Now where does the, now till now you have understood why capacitation is important, right? Why capacitation is important. Now can you tell me, when this is the final maturation of the sperm, right? This is the final maturation of the sperm, without which this penetration will not happen, right? This reaction of acrosome with zona pellucida will not occur without the capacitation, right? Now, can you tell me where will it occur? Where is the egg present? The egg is present in the female reproductive tract, right? That is the reason why the final maturation of the sperm, that is also known as capacitation, occurs in the female reproductive tract, right? Female reproductive tract to facilitate the acrosome reaction, the reaction of the acrosome head or the sperm head with the zona pellucida layer of the female ovum or egg, right? So this happens in the female reproductive tract and not in the male reproductive tract, right? Thank you.